Hey everyone, it's Mike here. Just going to do a quick video and talk to you guys about how you can make money selling Beanie Babies. Yes, Beanie Babies. Talked about this in the past and thought I'd just do a quick video to show you exactly how easy it is. And don't get me wrong, not all of the Beanie Babies are worth money. Some are not even worth selling, and there's some that are out there that sell for pretty good profits. It all depends on where you're sourcing them from and how you're picking them up. So let's just go through this one here and talk about this one. Anything with tie on it. Now here, this is how they come, right, guys? So when you see them with tags, that means they're, they're new, okay? And, what you're going to want to do is make sure that these things, there's no marks or anything on them. Obviously, if you're selling it as new, make sure it is new. Make sure there's no crud or anything of that nature in there. But it's easy, guys. So what you're doing is we're going to scan this, and we'll take you over to the Amazon screen. Okay, we just pulled this up here, and there is the listing. We scanned it in. Let's take a look and take a gander of what's going on with this one now. Now, this is the Beanie Baby Wallace the Bear, 641 Prime, 20 new sellers. Let's scroll down a little bit here, and let's just check out the rank. Okay, so here we go. Amazon bestseller rank, 340,000 in toys and games. Not the greatest rank, but there's a rank there, so that tells me it's sold. It has potential for selling. So now here again, all right, 641. Let's just take a quick look and see what's going on exactly in the further detail here. Let's go over here and we'll select the Prime. So we got people here. These are all Prime sellers. Big gap here between this seller and this seller. Makes you wonder why. But I could be sitting here all day trying to figure out why. But what I'm going to do is we're going to price it $9.95. And we're going to sell this and send it into Amazon. So let me show you guys here now how I'm going to package this, prep this, and get it out to them. Okay, here we go. We got condition new, brand new with tags. Like I said, $9.95. We're going to select the sell date here, and we're going to ship to Amazon. So let's hit the button there. It's going to proceed here to tell us where we're going. And it's loading. Let's see where we're at. Okay. So we're going to continue to the shipping plan here. This is going to load up here. Grab the ASIN number here. Let's copy that. I would hit Control C, but my hands are tied here. So we've got, let's see, we've got one. Continue. It's going to have us go through this mumbo jumbo here. Okay, it's telling us, let's see, it's telling us to bag it. We are bagging these. I bag all Plush. Gotta bag Plush. So let's see where it's going to take it to. It's going to Chattanooga. So let me print out a label, and I'll show you guys the next step here. There we've got our label. Let's put it on the package. All right, so here we go. Here's what we got. I've got, we're going to spray this with Febreze, the free nature version. You can also make your own Febreze if you're thrifty, if you're frugal. So if you know how to do that, that's even better. This stuff works like a champ, man. I use it for all different types of stuff. So here we got our, hello, we got our Beanie Baby, or whatever you want to call it. And then I have 11 by 13 poly bag with a, let's see, we're going to flip it over here. It's got the self-seal on it. It's also got the suffocation warnings on it, which is a great thing. So let me package this up and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, we are all set and ready to rock and roll. One of the most important things when you're packaging up is make sure that this barcode is not exposed. But here you can see we've got the Beanie Baby in the poly wrap there. We got the suffocation warnings. And then, actually, I forgot to put the sticker on, so let's do that really quick. Let's add this here. Let's apply the sticker. We're good to go. It's got self-seal, guys, right? But what I like to do is because some of the times this doesn't stick as well as you might think it would. So I always like to apply a little tape. So you can see there I put a little tape on it. And that way this isn't going to bust out of the bag. And I'm not going to get anything damaged or anything like that. But yeah, this is, just a very easy way to make some quick money. Some of these can be long tail. Some of these actually, believe it or not, sell very, very fast. Right around the Q4 time, it seems like I sell a ton of these. Again, you got to understand the price points. Understand if they're worth picking up in your market. This is a good little niche here that I think a lot of people just overlook, and it just depends on which Beanie Babies you're finding. But again, if you're finding these at a garage sale or a flea market or something of that nature, and they're going for nothing. If they're going for pennies, they might be worth grabbing. So remember, you can scan the barcodes on these to determine what the value is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.